showing up. Look at that. How pretty is that? Back for another painting video, everyone. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. I am going to do things a little bit different with the satin enamel this time. I am going to puddle the colors with satin enamel on the entire canvas center. Then I am going to swipe the colors over it with no swipe activator on top. I am hoping that the kind of the pearl cells are gonna pop through the colors and it'll stay kind of bright, but I think it will be like a softer, cloudy type mix. So I'm gonna experiment. I debated using the swipe catalyst, but I don't know, we'll see. So I had scraped up, this is gonna be an experiment for this as well. So when I did the blue painting with the pearl cells, I scraped off what was on my table, and I am hoping that this will work because now this has my regular pouring medium in it and the satin enamel mixture and some of the swipe color. It's got everything in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let's paint. All right, so the way that I'm going to do this is just swirl these colors on together. So I got rid of everything that was in there. That cup is done. Now I have my satin enamel mixture, and I'm just going to come straight back through that here. I hope this is enough paint. Get my edges here. Oh, I hope this is enough paint. I might have to mix up some more. I do have a little bit of that berry color. I don't know. Let's just kind of see how this goes first. Let me spread this out a little bit. Blend those colors through a little bit. Yeah, I might need to mix up another batch. I will see. All right, here we go. Colors going down. I am using up my leftover rainbow colors, but I am going to change it this time around. I'm going to swipe one with purple, start with purple, and go backwards. And we will see how that does. And I am out of that blue. I think I might have just the tiniest bit. We'll see if that matters. And then here, and then I'm gonna come up here, start with my purple on this side. I gave up on the blue. And I'm just gonna swipe through these just regular. Okay, now I've got my yellow, yep. And I still don't know if I have enough paint for this canvas. So we will just have to see. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this works this way. Let's see if the cells start to pop up. It's going to be much softer. And I'm glad I used red on one side because, see, I'm not getting the lacing through them. Oh, but the cells are showing up. Look at that. How pretty is that? So this is no swipe activator. I've got the blue cells popping up with the white. Some of them are ringed that color. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. Got just the tiniest bits of the other color showing through. So that is the one difference with this. Like I ended up with red and then kind of purplish blue. But I do have some of the cells starting to pop through. Now that is really pretty too. Oh my gosh, look at all these reactions happening. Oh. I swear, y'all, it might be the end of the day. I've spilled so much today, it might be the end of the painting day for me. All right, I just wanted this one to be super soft. I do have some of the other cells still popping through. I think I'm just going to stretch this out and see how it goes. I do have that berry. I don't know if I have enough paint or not, but I do have that berry as well. All right, let's just try it this way first. I just know that I don't have enough paint. I don't want to lose my cells. I'm not going to use the berry. I think I'm going to mix up some more white. I'll be right back. All right, new batch mixed up just along my edges. Hopefully it works the same because I eyeballed it. All right, here we go. Stretching it out. I want to get that purple down to that end first. Ooh, it's on my toe. I want to keep those yellow cells. This is so soft and pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with this. I want to take it off that red, off that corner, and just have it be in that corner. Okay. Now I'm going to come in. I do want some of that to go up into that space. And I want some of that to kind of curl around. Super soft cells, big pops of color. The pearl cells are starting to pop up. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. All right. I am just going to let this continue to develop. Mixing, I will say, layering the colors like that, it doesn't really do much. I mean, up here, I got some of the colors over one another, but I'm going to try this again. And I think I'll swipe it with just certain colors, not layered like one next to the, use your words, Molly, not layered like one right after the other. I think this is super pretty though. This one big bold red here though, I'm not like in love with it because the cells aren't starting to develop as much right there. But I think maybe working it up through there. Oh, that got some of the green and the yellow, or the yellow. Wow, this down here is just stunning. I'm happy. I'll show you. This is probably one of my favorite, one of my best ones yet. Look at just how soft and beautiful the cells are. And the striations from mixing the white and the blue. So now that I have my white mixed up, I might do one with berry. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Look at it. All right. So we will see how this one dries. Oh, fingers crossed. I am having way too much fun with these. This one is somehow colorful and yet not colorful at the same time. This is what I imagine it would be like from up above in the clouds looking at a rainbow. And there is a little rainbow peeping through right down there, which is so cool. But there's my little corner of red. Then there's this softer kind of cloudy section. I loved blending the white and the blue base together. Look at that colorful corner up there. The river of color that just kind of disappears. And then those soft blues down here on the edge again. I'm having so much fun. All right, so I will have a couple more, I think, and then I will move on from these satin enamels. Some of you have talked about mirror paint and the blackest black and the goldest gold, so I'm definitely going to be playing around with those. But for now, I am enjoying this, and I will be moving on to something else on my shelf soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're enjoying these. Happy painting. Bye.